Hello. So up to now we have done the level design and the player movement and the fan rotation script. All of them are working fine and perfectly. So from this lesson we are going to create the main element, main purpose of the game, or the main core gameplay or the core mechanics for the gameplay. That means the fruit drops. So for that we need to choose some of the fruits like in the prefab. So we can see there are lots of fruits here. For example, so let's create the prefabs of the some fruits. Like if you drag the apple in the hierarchy, so let's see. So as you can see, this apple is looks so small, so we need to do some arrangement first. uh, First unpack this on completely, and let's scale it up. 5 4. Okay, so 5 would be small. Okay, so 4. Okay, so 4 will be good for it. And so this one looks good. So we need to make the fruits fall from the basket. That means the this fruit must react to the physics, unity physics. So to implement the unity physics to any game objects or the models, we need to add the component called rigid body. So you can see the if I search for the rigid, we can see the rigid body and rigid body 2D. Since this model or our game is the 3D game, so we need to add the component called rigid body. So this means rigid body 3D. All right. So let me show you. If I just play the game, it will react to the unity physics and it will makes fall to the ground. So let's do similar ways for the other fruits as well. So you can do by yourself. I am just choosing some of it. 3 4. All right. This would be 3. You can make some arrangement. This would be 4. 4 would be so large. 3 is also large. Let's make it 2. Or about 3 3 2.5. Okay, so this is good. So after I have arranged the some of the fruits in the hierarchy. So let's add the rigid body at once. So if I select one and hold the shift button, and if I select the last one, it will select all of the selected game object. And just click on the add component and let's click on the rigid body. So it will add rigid body to all of it. So also let's not forget to unpack it completely or unpack. All right. So now if I play, so all of them will be fall. But what will be happen if you remove the rigid body? So this makes the no any effect to the fruits because we have not added the rigid body component to the fruits. That's why it won't fall to the ground. That means the gravity won't make effect to the model. Okay, so I have created the some of the fruits. So let's create the prefabs the for the fruits. So basically the prefab means the reusable template. All right. So if in our games, there are, suppose if you have the coins, thousands of coins, hundred of coins, so you cannot create the thousands of coins and arrange in the scene. So if it would be easy if we start working by making the prefabs. So this basically the prefabs are the reusable template. So let's drag and drop all of it, and we do not need any fruits in the hierarchy, so let's delete it. And at last, do not forget to reset the position. Okay, so you do not need to reset the scale, we just need to reset the position for the easy purpose. So we have arranged the prefabs, we have arranged the fruits into the prefabs. So in another lesson we are going to create the logic for the fruit drops. So thank you, see you in the next video.